Hello everyone. After spending a significant amount of time in researching and reading a lot of books, knowing about the authors and their write-up styles and the writings, I understood that mostly throughout the globe there are three categories of the book. Category number one, that any reader will give a one-shot read and get the learnings out of that, try to use in their life. One read, get the learning. Category number two, the philosophical books that it takes time to understand chapter wise chapter. So that's where author intend to all the readers to spend a frequent time or a continuous amount of time to understand those philosophy chapter wise and then try to inculcate in their life. Now here comes the category number three, where the mostly the stories and all the books would be fictional, but of course containing a lot of learning inside it. The most and the main intent of the author would be to tell a story which would have mostly fictional or a bit of truthness to it, but mostly he tried to create and generate that emotion in each and every reader's and listener's life that he has narrated in the story and he has tried to generate or create or lighten up to. Now today's book, titled Sunshine Town, authored by Mr. Manish Arora, has completely aligned to the third category of the book that I had talked about few seconds earlier. So I am Parag, welcoming all of you to this particular episode of Me Time Talks with Parag. As you all are aware of, in this channel, as a part of one category of the show, I give book summaries and reviews, irrespective of each category. All category books that I try to touch upon. So today's book, The Sunshine Town, I have come up with for all of you, which is not only a teenage love stories which has been picturized in late 90s, but also a very thin and threaded learnings for us, mostly for the teenagers who are career oriented and just trying to enter into the career, who are struggling in between two emotions, I would say. The career fulfillment or personal love and relationship as well. So, as you all are aware of, in this particular show and channel, I do book reviews and summaries in three segments. Segment number one, we talk about the look, structures, entire usability and the user availability and the feasibility of the book. Second segment, I give the intense summary and the reviews of the book chapter wise, and I try to touch upon each chapter's learning that author has trying to convey to the readers. Last segment, segment 3, where I give my personal opinion, feedback and review on the book, writings, the way of narration and other factors. Apart from that, I read few reviews provided by other authors throughout the globe, available in all web channels. So let's start then. Segment number 1, the structure of the book titled Sunshine Town, authored by Manish Arora, has been entirely focused on a 90s beautiful love stories. The entire book is available both in paperback and web model as well. The book contains 4 chapters, 194 pages in it. Each chapters contains a beautiful learnings in it. The paperback model, when we talk about the price range of the book, the paperback model is available in 210 rupees. In each bookstores you will find 200 plus rupees. Same book is available in e-commerce website who does sell the book in price of 210 rupees. Mostly it's available in Amazon. But the good news here is the book is available in Amazon Kindle in the price of 103 rupees. Yes, only 103 rupees. That's why I prefer to purchase this book in my Amazon Kindle, and I have read the entire book in this media as well. So I would recommend, before purchasing this book, try to think on the media that you are going to read. The good news here, not only for all the authors, but also for the author of this particular book to know, and for all the readers as well, that the book Sunshine Town has been ranked in the category of such stories throughout the globe in the rank of 6,482, which is a really great achievement for the author and for all the readers, that they are looking up to live a different kind of life, different kind of learning out of this particular book. The picturization and the design of the cover, if you'll find the book, the designer has done a really great job. If you'll find the story, read the story, which has picturized in the beautiful city of Varanasi in the North India, and a beautiful life story and the career-oriented life of the hero of the character of this particular story, who has been playing a very prominent role. He has been placed in a boat in a river, which is floating in a river, and a flight is flying in the sky. This complete picture in the cover page is depicting the entire story in one shot. So that's where the designer of this cover page of this particular book has done a really commendable job. Apart from that, the entire story is a love story having beautiful characters, mostly three prominent women character and two or three male character as well. Shlok, hero of the story; Natasha, his love of his life, who is the female most heroine of the story; Yana, the best friend of Shlok; Shlok's parents, Natasha's brother, and the grandparents of Shlok. So this is all about the book in the first segment. Let's move to the second segment, which talk about the intensive summary and the reviews on the book. Now the picturization of the book is entirely done and conducted and started in the way of filmizing a beautiful movie. The first scene has been picturized and started in the Frankfurt airport, where Shlok has just reached and landed after completing his 9 hours of journey from Delhi, and he was just entirely tired. He was just trying to sleep. He was just wrapping up his stuff, packing his charger, gadgets, everything. And at the same time, he's heard a big sound who was reciting his name, Shlok, Shlok, and of course that voice was a girl's voice. To his utter surprise, Shlok found that girl was none other than his childhood friend, Anna. Now you imagine what kind of scenario would be happening when you met in an unknown place to your best friend of childhood, with whom you have spent a beautiful moment throughout that particular tenure of the life. Now the Shlok and Anna has exchanged the emotion, excitement. They purchase a mug of coffee, and to their utter surprise, they both were sharing the same flight. Shlok mentioned in the first chapter itself, in this narration, that Anna has a beautiful public relations skills. By using that everybody does the best friends when they meet, they exchange the seat, and Yana made sure that her seat would be near, just adjacent to the Shlok seat, so that they would have a beautiful moment interaction, living up again those beautiful moments that they had come across. So at the same time, after the moment, Anna asked, "You tell me one thing before telling me to anything. What happened? Where you had disappeared after your graduation? No, not at all. Trying to connect with me, nothing." Then Shlok had taken a deep breath, like me that I'm taking now, and started to explain the story to Yana. He mentioned he started to narrate his story prior to his birth, when his father was a child, right? So his Dadaji, or grandfather, had a furniture business based out of Sarogyan. There is a village name, placed, it's nearer to Lahore in Pakistan. And the story has been started by explaining the year of 1947, when the partition happened, and Shlok's grandfather and his father's family started to move towards India, across the border. During the fight, Shlok had lost a lot of his family members, and rest of the family members has come to India, and they had been accommodated nearer to a place of army base camp. So where they had given accommodation to stay there. So from there, Shlok's Dadaji had to come to Banaras, right? The accommodation of the place was apart from, outside of the city. So he has to come to Banaras to earn some money so that he can feed to their family. So days had passed. Then Shlok's grandfather asked his father to, Shlok's father, to try to join in a canteen as a canteen boy in the army canteen and serve to the customers to earn some money. To this question and mention, when Anna asked why your grandfather was always against the study, he did not, promote your father to kind of read, but he asked him to work as a child. Then Shlok mentioned at that point of time the main concern of grandfathers to his family that he has to feed their family rather than earn education. Isn't it so relatable to most of the families, right? Right, this particular point of time, that they are also feeling the same kind of emotions, same kind of conditions at this era after development of lot of development in economically, all sort of action globally of any countries, but still people are there who are facing these conditions. Mentioning that, when he started and had taken forward to explaining his story, after few stories and completing his educations, Shlok's father finally read, burnt a midnight oil, and completed his diploma in civil engineering and got a state government job. After that, the family condition and living style has changed and come up. So initially, what happened? His grandfather purchased a scooter, green scooter. After that, his father, when he got a two promotion in 3 years, then he started to purchase TV, refrigerator, other ambiances for home. After all, mostly the living lifestyle of Shlok's family prior to his birth has changed. After that, Shlok's mom has come into picture. His father got married, and then everything happened. When he was explaining the prior birth of the story, Ian asked what happened to Natasha then. And to this question, he's shocked. Shlok has got to take a pause and take a deep breath and started to explain. And the author has taken a beautiful a moment, to narrate in the chapter 3, where he has narrated the entire teenage story of Shlok, 19 years. So it has started like how in normal school going 19 years boys leaving being go to school, attend classes, come back, have tiffin, then go to your playground, then come back, then listen to your parents. Like same way, Shlok had his parents to always tell her like you have to study and your board exam is coming up. You need to perform well, so you need to put a bit of more effort. In continuation to that, when Anna asked why you were so excited and focused on your career in medical line, then Shlok replied, that has already been decided by my father. Where his father, Shlok's father, was exposed to the army camp where the army personnel's doctors used to take care of the refugees and other army personnels in very delightful way, in very gentle way. So that made Shlok's father to decide his son's character, Shlok's career towards as a doctor. So in the mid of this kind of dream of the parents to live up to study, career, dream of his parents, now here the picture came where the love of his life has entered in Shlok's life. Natasha. Natasha, same standard girl, class in the same standard in the school, has shifted along with her parents as a neighborhood to Shlok. So Natasha's father was having a bakery shop in Shivanand Lane. He was to sell a lot of sweets, snacks, other bakery items as well. Natasha too had a younger brother as well. So when time passed, Natasha and Shlok, they came to know each other. Shlok was studying in Sunbeam English Medium School where Natasha was in DPS, and both were sharing the same standard, same life. They used to come back from school, spend some time in the playground in the afternoon, in the evening time, where they were sharing the same playground, by the way. So Shlok has to play cricket along with his friends, where Natasha used to spend some good time along with her friends. So one day they had decided to spend a good amount of time playing girls group and boys group the throw balls game. When it's the end of the cricket match, the same day, Shlok heard a big sound of an accident. When he directed towards that direction, he found, along with other girls, Natasha had injured by a vehicle. Now, Shlok has shown his gentlemanness. He taken out a handkerchief from his pocket and given tie the wound of Natasha's leg that is happening. That is the wound in Natasha's leg, and he has played a little more gently, gentleman way, and he had taken the stand to let Natasha drop at her place. The days passed. There is a good impression. Girls' family got in the boys' family. That kind of filmy situation happened when both the family has started to exchange some good time, visit to the other place, and now Natasha and Flo came to know they are sharing a beautiful good habit, that is the gardening. So Shlok has to give a rose as a gift to Natasha, which has been grown in his garden. So that was a beautiful moment. And the author Manish Arora has never forget to highlight that particular good habit of teenagers and the school-going kids at those 90s, that the comics love. Natasha used to visit to Shlok's place. He found a lot of comics like Tintin, Chacha Chaudhary, Tom and Jerry, Asterix, a lot of super heroes comics was lying in Shlok's room, and he just asked, "Can I lend few of can you lend me a few of your comics and I read and I'll give you back?" And that is another scope of getting close in terms of love relation and friendship between one boy and girl, that's Shlok and Natasha, that in this particular book. So the beautiful story was running like this. And after that, a few times towards the end of the chapter and in the story, the author mentions the dark day as well. Suddenly, Shlok got to know that there is a big fire in Natasha's parents' house, shop bakery, that completely devastated the bakery. Natasha's father lost everything. So now both the family come together. They discussed how to get out of this particular situation, and they found the way. With this, when Manish Arora has trying to end up the stories, and at last you will finding the dream that Shlok's father has seen in their life, that exactly being lived up to by Shlok. That's why he was traveling from Delhi to Boston. That is something that all the readers need to unveil this particular secret. And what happened, the relationship between Shlok and Natasha, how it ended up. It's a good way though, that's a hint for you. But how it is ended up, that's another secret that I request us, each one of you, to read and know about from this particular story. And what I love the most of this particular book and the learning is, as a teenager, lot of emotions, hormone changes, there will be in the mind. The way Shlok has fought against each and every emotions, keeping each and everything in a proper position and come out of a strong human being, that's the learning out of this book for each and every age group people, not only for the teenagers, that which has been prominently mentioned in this particular book. Now in the third segment, I will give the review of this particular book. What I like the most. I like Leave My School Days. All the ingredients has been placed in the book that I already has been lived up in my school days, and I have believed that each and every one of you that you were listening to this particular summary would have definitely lived up those particular moment. Going to school, having breakfast, parents scolding, pressure of the study, exam, and finding a girl in the neighborhood, thinking about her, then some drastic change, playground sharing with your friends, everything. Second one, the uses of the language, vocabulary, storytelling way by the author was really simple and readers friendly. Shlok and Natasha's love, which has ended up with a beautiful moment after the wars. And now, the way Mr. Manish Arora has mentioned and narrated this particular story has really come to with a great learning and dragged my attention on this particular point. And the beautiful role, I would say the friend's role, that is another thing that Anna has placed. Everybody would have that friend who are always been supporting throughout your childhood. That friend's character was another, attention dragging for me, having a good impression on this particular thing by author in this particular book. So let's see what other reviewers and readers has given review on this particular book. There was a review in Amazon Kindle in April 7, 2020 by Mohan Sharma. He has mentioned storybook connects every teenage person with it by Shlok as a teenager. This book is written in a smooth manner. The story goes as if it is witnessing the life of Shlok in front of us. He mentioned when he was reading the book, he was thinking like, okay, I'm picturizing the Shlok is living in front of me. That's the great achievement by the author, that he has made his motif that he was trying to convey and trying to picturize the thing. At last, I would like to really thank to Mr. Manish Arora, the author, not only to give us a beautiful romantic story to us, but also reach out to me to give the review and summary on his book. Thank you so much for this beautiful opportunity. I enjoyed the entire book, entire story, very prominently and very happily. Wishing you all the very best, Mr. Arora. And listener, like this, in this channel, stay tuned to listen, to learn a beautiful learnings from different categories of the book that I will come up in my next episodes. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Bye bye.